To get her aroused, unraveling the difference between arousal and attraction. I'm dating and relationship coach Ricard of CairoDating.com, and if you want to get more and daily dating tips from me, you can like and subscribe. But if you want to know how to get her aroused and the difference between arousal and attraction, stay tuned, because in this video I will share everything you wanted to know but was too afraid or ashamed ever to ask. When it comes to fostering a fulfilling and passionate connection with her, understanding the differences between arousal and attraction is crucial. These concepts, while intertwined, have distinct natures that play essential roles in intimacy. Arousal pertains to the physical and physiological response to various stimuli, where attraction involves a deeper emotional and psychological connection. If you want to get her aroused, you must understand both. This video will explore the key differences between arousal and attraction and delve into practical ways to make a woman feel aroused and attractive. So let's begin by discussing the difference between arousal and attraction. Arousal, commonly called sexual arousal, is a bodily response to various stimuli that trigger sexual desire and readiness for intimacy. When aroused, the body undergoes physiological changes, such as increased heart rate, heightened blood flow to specific areas, and the release of neurotransmitters like dopamine and oxytocin. Understanding the factors that stimulate arousal can significantly enhance your intimate experiences with your partner. On the other hand, attraction is a multidimensional phenomenon encompassing emotional, intellectual, and physical elements. It transcends physical appearance and revolves around qualities like personality, intelligence, humor, and shared interests. Attraction creates a profound connection and a desire to build a deeper bond with someone beyond just the physical aspect. And if you want to discover how a simple goldfish can help you achieve just that, click the link in the description below and watch that video until the end, and you will know how to do it. If you then decide to purchase the featured product, I will earn a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. So, how do you build attraction? Well, you need to focus on emotional connection, shared interests, and genuine interests. Establishing an emotional connection is the cornerstone of building attraction with your partner. Communicate openly and emphatically, actively listening to her thoughts and feelings. Share your emotions and experiences, and be supportive during her life's highs and lows. Emotional intimacy builds trust and strengthens the bond between partners. Shared interests are things like shared hobbies and other interests, and it's an effective way to build a stronger emotional connection. Engage in activities you enjoy, try new experiences together, or engage in thought-provoking conversations about mutual passions. Shared interests create lasting memories and a sense of camaraderie between partners. I like to say that expressing sincere interest in your partner's life and experiences is key to deepening attraction. Ask her about her dreams, ambitions, and aspirations, and listen intently to her responses. Show support and encouragement for her goals, making her feel valued and understood. Now, let's talk about triggering arousal, and that's actually a 4-step process. Compliments and affirmations, physical touch, stimulating conversations, and creating a romantic environment. Complimenting your partner on her appearance, intelligence, and unique qualities can ignite feelings of desire and attractiveness. Please be genuine and specific in your praise to make her feel truly valued. And if you want some tips, here are 65 compliments you can give her. Physical touch. Gentle and sensual touches can be powerful stimulants for arousal. Discover and explore her erogenous zones gently, taking cues from her responses and preferences. Stimulating conversations. Engaging in playful and suggestive conversations can subtly spark arousal and set the mood. Use words and tone to create an atmosphere of desire and intimacy, but always ensure that both partners are comfortable and receptive. And then create a romantic environment, setting the stage with soft lighting, scented candles, and soothing music can create a sensual and intimate ambience. A romantic atmosphere heightens arousal and contributes to a memorable and intimate experience. Confidence and self-assurance. Confidence is undeniably attractive. Displaying self-assurance in your actions and words can captivate your partner and enhance the overall attraction. However, remember to balance confidence and humility, as arrogance can be off-putting. Demonstrating respect for your partner's opinions and boundaries is crucial in building mutual trust and emotional intimacy. Demonstrating respect for your partner's opinions and boundaries is crucial in building mutual trust and emotional intimacy. The way you present yourself plays a significant role in attraction. Therefore, you should always dress your best. So dressing smartly and grooming yourself well can make you more appealing to your partner. Develop a style that reflects your personality and interests, as it can express your individuality. Good personal hygiene and grooming habits can also add to your attractiveness. Putting effort into your appearance shows you care about your partner and value your time together. Now let's talk about arousal versus attraction a bit here, because understanding the difference between arousal and attraction is pivotal in cultivating a strong intimate relationship. While arousal is driven by physical stimuli, attraction, on the other hand, delves into emotional and intellectual connections. And if you want to combine both and get a girl to experience the most heart-pounding experiences of her entire life, click the link in the description below and watch that video and learn the secrets that will make her stay with you for as long as you want. And you can build a foundation of attraction by fostering emotional closeness, genuine interest, and respect. And that video will teach you all of the above. But of course, if you decide to purchase through the link, I will earn a commission, but at no extra cost to you. Additionally, stimulating arousal through compliments, physical touch, and romantic environment will enhance intimacy. So, click the link, check the video, and if you purchase, I will earn a commission from your purchase, but at no extra cost to you. Remember, nurturing arousal and attraction in your relationship will lead to a more fulfilling and passionate connection with the woman you love. Embrace the uniqueness of each concept and use them harmoniously to create a thriving and lasting bond with your partner. For more tips, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell, and I will notify you when I upload new videos here on my YouTube channel, which is something I frequently do. So stay tuned for more dating and relationship tips here on YouTube.